kind of where you feel it? Right
yes.
there, right? Okay, so a little bit of a drop. Try to relax that.
Ow!
Good. And then you still got a good amount of tension in here too, right?
Mm-hmm.
Tight, tight, tight. Well, see how it's already kind of moving in there? But this side is a lot tighter than this side. Okay, so we're gonna get right in the middle here. Okay, you're gonna take a deep breath in. Let it out.
Ow!
Good. Good. One more here. Good. Good.
Woo!
Try to relax that. Good.
You told me to relax.
Yep.
When you have me a parse.
Yep.
Oh.
Good.
My.
In your low back. The
My
side-
low back, my
sciatica.
sciatica. Oh Lord.
Yeah. And that's been pretty good, right? Since you've been coming in.
I'm fine.
Yeah.
I'm fine.